Yo, yo, yo. What's good? Welcome back to krabstrades. Today, it is January 10th, 2025. We just had NFP here at 8:30 a.m. Right now, it's 8:55 a.m. Market opens in about 35 minutes. 10 a.m. we got orange folders. Not really worried about these. But yeah, unemployment rate and NFP. So yeah, let's hop on the 15-minute time frame. Do some analysis. We'll see if we get an NFP protocol today as well. We'll see if we retrace back towards the NFP high where it started. But yeah, trading NFP days, honestly one of my favorite days to trade based on my back testing. So yeah, let's get it. And yeah, let's pull up session highs and lows. Let's also mark up previous day highs and lows. If this will work. Alright, took out New York lunch low. We got equal low, or not equal lows, equal highs left. True day opens above as well. Right there. New York PM high. Asia was taken. Let's see if we have any SMTs. We do not. Alright. No bearish SMTs. Let's mark this up. Alright, so looks like we have the sell side here. Potential draw. It's just super obvious sell side here. Check the higher time frames though. We have displacement through Asia. Kind of a bearish breaker here as well. High low, higher high, lower low. See if this holds as well. This is like a breaker slash like CIST. But since it is NFP, could see this range get rebalanced here from where NFP started right here. So I will keep that in mind. We'll mark up equilibrium of that range. So let's just hop on the higher time frames now. Let's just check the weekly real quick. Did not trade yesterday. It was market was like closed, but yeah, obvious weekly sell side here. So I'm pretty bearish till then. Just looks super obvious as a draw. This sweep here was a external SMT. But I do think NQ wants to take this low before going higher. So I'm gonna mark this up as my draw on liquidity for right now. Sell side 1 week draw. Let's see, yes, alright. If we take that out, could run higher, but leaning more bearish until then. So let's see a daily. Have been shifting structure to the downside, so we could want to make a run next week as well of this low resistance liquidity that we have here, all these stacked lows. Looks like we have here an efficiency on the higher time frame. Daily inbounds. Let me mark this up. Right there. Okay, let's see the 4 hour. Also, what are we rejecting right now? We're rejecting a daily OB, but I don't really care about it right now until this sell side gets taken for longs. I'm still mark it up here. And then SMT was right there. Let's see, are we rejecting like OTE or something? let's see the 4 hour. Let's see if we have any SMTs here. Not really, just kind of stacked highs here. Low resistance liquidity above. Do have this 4 hour imbalance. Inefficiency there, which I'll mark up. But yeah, it looks like drawn liquidity super clear right now. So yeah, leaning bearish until this weekly sell side gets taken. And yeah, looks like here we rejected. We're back. Not much though really sponsored this move lower. Looking at the higher time frame, trying to find what really sponsored this. It was probably just a turtle soup. Let's see, it's probably more clear on the hourly. But no SMT, I believe. Yeah, no SMT, just stacked highs here. Also accumulation. Damn, my voice. Accumulation, low resistance liquidity. We're manipulating right now. If we can manipulate lower, take out this weekly sell side, create some internal structure, could see a retracement back higher. If we can get something like this, it's ideally what I want to see. And then have it turn into a buy model, but we'll see. We're just gonna set conditions when market opens up. But yeah, it looks like all that sponsored this move was really just this turtle soup. These were equal highs as well. Yeah, soup there. OB rejected. Alright, high, low, high, low, high, high. Took out liquidity, rejected a OB. Could see this breaker holding here to deliver us lower towards the weekly sell side liquidity. Also, this is equilibrium. If we can rebalance this, we could make a run lower, I believe. Wait, let's see the 15-minute. Also, CISD here as well on the hourly. Also, displacement below Asia. Displacement through, closure below lunch lows. So the main thing I'm looking at right now is this weekly sell side though. See this inefficiency here on the 15-minute. Looks like we could rebalance this actually right now. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the analysis for right now. Pretty simple draw. Draw for me is that sell side lower. If we do have to flip bias, let's see. We are rejecting like this OB, but really don't want to flip bias ideally until this sell side gets taken because it's just so clear. Also inverse this hourly fair value gap as well, inversed everything in this leg. So I really just want ideally what I want. Low, high, low, low. Hold up, I'm geeked. High, low, high, liquidity, OB rejection. I want to see this breaker hold, rebalance equilibrium. get us some type of setup for a run lower. This is something I would like as well. SMT. Then take shorts around this area. We'll see how market opens. If we can open high, low close at 9:30, could get a short opportunity. But yeah, I'll really take this either way, depending on market open. But yeah, it's pretty much the analysis for right now. I will be back if we take anything in Cosmo. And yeah, but I'll go live in about 20 minutes with Aussie. So till then, peace. I'll do a breakdown of the day, whatever happens. And yeah, peace.
Order submitted.
I'm in right there. Alright, quick trade recap. Plus 2R on the day, or around 2R, I think like 1.8 to 9. I'm gonna just call it 2R basically. Well, 1 minute. Get rid of this for right now. Pretty much my condition, I was drawing this up when we were like over here. My condition was for like internal structure after we took out this weekly sell side. After we got that, actually here we had 10 a.m. news, 10 a.m. open, low, high, close. Then right here I'm waiting for internal structure, and I believe we got an SMT right here, little ass SMT, but still was a SMT after a higher time frame external sweep. We also here had, someone actually called this in chat, I didn't even see this before, but external SMT at the lows as well, and we had this OTE on the daily time frame being rejected, bullish OTE, which I believe was this range here. Yeah, right there, higher time frame range. OTE holding bullish there. You can see we kind of wicked out of there. And yeah, also had my 1.2. We had our 2 standard deviation being rejected here. You can see we're kind of chopping there. And then got that SMT in this zone that I was looking for longs. Then entered off this 1 minute inversion. There was like a 30-second here. I think someone smacked. Let me see. I didn't even see the 30-second honestly, but let me see on Top Step. Was there a 30-second? Oh yeah, there was a little 30-second that I think some people took, but I wanted a little bit more confirmation, so I waited on this 1 minute right here. Also for targets, I really like the targets here. We had 930 wick left behind, accumulation above. We had equal highs even higher. We had NFP protocol, which I explained before. It's basically just NFP more times than not retraces back to where it started if the higher time frame narrative is aligned with that. We had two sets of data highs. We had 8:30 data high as well as 10 a.m. data high from the orange folder news. So two data highs above. This was also a devil's mark, so just 10 a.m. candle had no top wick, just devil's mark, and also aligned with the 15-minute imbalance, which was just a 15-minute unfilled gap that I wanted to see get rebalanced after we had an external liquidity sweep. Where did my executions go? Alright, whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it. 1 minute inversion entry. Break even was aggressive here at this 5-minute imbalance because I just wanted to see us displace through this 5-minute imbalance and not really get affected by it. So I was aggressive with break even there. Then while in the trade, we left behind this 5-minute breakaway gap, as well as we put in an order block, closed above it. That's when I knew target looks pretty good. And also just full close at the low hanging fruit, which was this 15-minute imbalance, 10 a.m. data high, devil's mark. So yeah, I do still think this could run higher potentially. But yeah, it's pretty much trade breakdown.